Louisville is a large and beautiful city that belongs to the U.S. state of Kentucky. Louisville is the largest and most beautiful city in Kentucky. Due to its location, the city is often referred to as either the northernmost southern city or the southernmost northern city in the United States. Louisville is famous for the famous Kentucky Derby horse racing, America's most popular Triple Crown race, and boxing legend Muhammad Ali. He is a six-time winner of the Boxer of the Year title. Helsinki, morning walk through the snowy streets of the city in January 2023. January in Helsinki is the snowiest, cloudiest, and frostiest month of the year. Perhaps the most important difference between the Finnish winter and the rest of Europe is the very short daylight hours. In January in Helsinki, the sun rises around 9:20 and sets as early as 15:20. Let's enjoy this fresh snowfall and the coolness of a Finnish city.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Novosibirsk, walk along the left bank of the Ob River in January. Russia, Siberia. This Siberian city is very cold, severe winter. In January, the temperature drops to an average of 25 degrees Celsius. There is a lot of precipitation during this month. Basically, in January there are no more than 4 sunny days. The rest of the time the sun is hidden behind clouds. Novosibirsk is the largest city outside the Urals and the third most populous in Russia. Santiago is the capital of Chile and the largest metropolis in South America. Santiago is the capital and largest city of Chile, the longest country in the world. This is the economic center of the country, where banks are located, the headquarters of world corporations, and the office of the United Nations Economic Mission. Santiago is the safest city in Latin America. Let's enjoy the clear sky and the bright sun of this wonderful city in January. January walk through the Sydney Central Business District. The Sydney CBD is the city centre, or Sydney City, and the two terms are used interchangeably. The centre of Sydney extends south for about 3 kilometres, 2 miles. Life in the centre of Sydney does not stop for a second. The Sydney CBD is a very densely populated area with skyscrapers and other buildings. And there are green spaces for recreation. Sydney is the calling card of Australia. Thank you so much for visiting the Web TV channel. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, write a review and subscribe to watch new trips around the cities. See you soon, bye bye.